If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Exposure, plus 0.1. Contrast, plus 30. Highlights, minus 35. Shadows, plus 30. Whites, minus 15. Blacks, minus 35. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Temp, minus 5. Tint, plus 15. Vibrance, plus 30. Saturation, minus 20. Open color mix. Red. Hue, plus 25. Saturation, minus 10. Orange. Hue, minus 10. Saturation, minus 20. Luminance, plus 15. Yellow. Hue, minus 90. Saturation, minus 90. Luminance, minus 20. Green. Saturation, minus 100. Aqua. Saturation, minus 100. Blue. Saturation, minus 100. Luminance, minus 30. Purple. Saturation, minus 70. Magenta. Saturation, minus 70. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, plus 226. Saturation, plus 50. Luminance, minus 50. Move to midtones. Hue, plus 266. Saturation, plus 43. Luminance, minus 30. Change the highlights. Hue, plus 64. Saturation, plus 100. Luminance, minus 5. Blending, plus 65. Balance, plus 40. Open the Effects section. Clarity, minus 15. Dehaze, minus 10. Vignette, amount, minus 40. Midpoint, plus 40. Feather, plus 90. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.